Hello everyone, once again you're welcome in my YouTube channel. This is Shyam Kumar. I'm from Jharkhand state. So in this video through I want to tell that how can you learn this language, what is the importance of English in present time. So everything I want to tell you in this video. So please keep continuing with my video, so you are gonna learn something new from my side. So at first I would like to say that if you want to learn this language, then you have to start speaking and listening. Yes, you have to do speaking and listening, because I learned this language through speaking. Before time, I used to speak a lot because I wanted to speak. Then after I started listening, so then in this time I'm able to speak because I am practicing very long time. So that's why I'm able to speak. So anybody wants to become a good speaker, that person needs practice. If you do every day listening and speaking, you can able to speak. You know, how did you learn your mother tongue? So you learn through listening, then after you copy that, then you started speaking. Just like English, also it's not so hard. Before time I was thinking it's so hard, I cannot learn this language. But after many practicing, now I'm able to speak because of practice. So if anybody wants to learn this language, then you have to practice speaking and listening. Then after, if you want to improve more, then you start reading and writing. That through you can improve your English. So you have to do this thing. What is the importance now? Present time English very important. Suppose that if I thought I should go in South India part, so there is spoken different languages. So you know, all of you know that English is an international language. So many countries have spoken this language. So that's why we should learn this language. You can connect with the different people, different areas, not only India, other countries. So if you know this language, so easily you can connect, you can do work anywhere. So in present time, interview are asked in English. So if you know English, so you can give interview, you can crack a job. So it's important now, and it's all of you know that this is the science era. So without English you cannot learn technology things. If you have knowledge about English, so you can know much more information about science. So in these days English is very important. If you know English, then you can do computer course. Without English you cannot learn computer, because in all the function in computer all things are in English. So if you know English, then you can easily learn computer, and the computer through you can do any job. In present time English is very necessary. So this thing I want to tell you. So please keep continue watch my video. Try to learn new things every day. Whatever you know, try to speak. Definitely you can able to speak this language. It's not so hard. First time you will feel that it's so hard. If you practice more and more, then you can learn. You can become a good speaker. Then yours fluency will come. After long time practicing, I learned this language. I become a good speaker. Good speaker, not I bring in my English fluency. You know, every day I try to speak 1 hour, 2 or 3 hours. Continuously I do speaking practice. That's why in this time I'm able to speak. Without speaking, I cannot speak this language. Listening and